this picture frame to our business logo. So we're starting off with the white paint and getting rid of these black wording, make it all white. So we got our picture, we got our logo printed, and we're just gonna trace it and then paint it in. Since I don't know how to draw, so we're just gonna trace this. We took it off. Now we're just tracing the letters. I don't know if you can see them on camera, but they're there. All right, so far so good. Now we're gonna paint it in. Yeah, I'm gonna stop there for now. We're done with the head. Look at that. Look at the details. He looks like an actual afro. So I love it. I like how it turned out. We're gonna go ahead and do the letters, and then the flower will be last because I need the surrounding paint to dry off. Okay, now let's do the pink. It's the same pink as the flower, so just painting it while I wait for it to dry. Okay guys, we're gonna clean all that up, and all of these and the table. It's just a whole lot of mess in here, so we're gonna go ahead and start cleaning up. We're gonna put all these soaps away, back to where they belong. Start with the lavender. Where's the lavender? Turmeric. So we just need to restock a couple more green pasture, and definitely. All right, let's clean this up now. here and there. My finished look to the picture frame that I painted. I did rustic look to that, and that's my logo right there. Let me know how I did in the comment section below. I think I did pretty good. All hand painted except for the leaf. And look at the details on the afro. Cool. And this is the board, the wooden part. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. So we did the picture frame and we cleaned up a little bit in the soap room. We did put away some of the soaps that we made, so that was pretty productive. We'll do the rest another day. But that is all for this video. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It's your way of supporting my channel. I can bring more content like this. And also leave a like and share this video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Amahoro.